Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alysia Anindya. So today I will present my PPT talking about educational research. So we are going to talk about the function and also the types of educational research. And I will also give the example for this educational research. First, we are going to talk about the function of educational research. Uh, Educational research has four main purposes. First is basic research. Next is applied research, evaluation research, and also action research. So basic research is like to expand the knowledge about education in the general. And for applied research, it more like solves the specific problem in education. And for evaluation research, it is to check if an education program or method is effective or not. And for action research, it helps the teacher to improve their teaching in the classroom. Uh, so we are going to talk about basic research first. Basic research is all about understanding the concept without trying to fix the specific problem. The example of basic research is like this topic, studying the impact of cognitive development theories in education. Another research topic for this basic research is like study on language learning and anxiety by Barber in 2023. So this study look at how students' beliefs about learning language can affect their anxiety level in the class. It helps the researchers to understand if language learning, psychology, but not suggest a solution for it. So it's more like about gaining knowledge rather than give a solution or solving the problem. Next is applied research. So applied research is different. It takes knowledge and applies it to solve the real world problems. The example of applied research is like this research topic, examining the effectiveness of a new teaching method. And another research topic for this applied research is like using AI in language learning. So in this topic, in using AI in language learning, this study tests whether AI learning tools can improve the students' motivation and success or not. It gives useful insight for the teachers who want to use technology in their classroom. So these types of research has practical benefit in the classroom. Next is evaluation research. This type of research is done to check if an educational program is working well or not. This example of educational research like evaluating the impact of online learning in schools. And also, does learning a foreign language affect your native language by Kana in 2023? So the study evaluated whether learning a second language can change how the students use their first language or their native language. The results, the research The result of this study can help the educators to improve language programs to avoid the negative effect on students' native language. So it is important for the schools to decide which program should be kept or improved. And next is action research. Action research is something that a teacher do in their own classroom to make improvement about their teaching method. The example of action research is like uh, a teacher studying the effect of peer tutoring in a classroom. Another study about this, how classroom leadership affects teacher. So the study look at how principals' leadership styles can affect teachers' motivation and also performance in the classroom. The goal for this study was to help the school to create a better work environment for the teachers in their school. So this type of research is practical and also focus on making a real change. Now we are going to talk about the types of educational research. There are two main types of educational research. First is qualitative research, and the second is quantitative research. So, qualitative research more focus on ideas, experiences, and also the observation rather than using number. So, qualitative research is more about understanding the experiences and also emotion instead of measuring the things with number. It the key characteristic of this qualitative research, it use interviews, observation, and also case studies. The example of qualitative research, like this topic, exploring students' motivation in online learning. And another example for this qualitative research is like how positive emotion affects learning in a new language. So the study explore how feeling like enjoyment, pride, happiness, like that can impact the students' learning on a foreign language. So this kind of research can help us to understand how people feel and why they behave a certain way. Next is qualitative research. Quantitative research. So quantitative research, it use number and also statistic to analyze the patterns. Quantitative research is more focused on the numerical data and also statistical analysis. The key characteristic of quantitative research, it uses surveys, experiments, and also standardized tests. The example of this type of research is like this, measuring the impact of a flipped classroom model on students' grade. Another example for this research topic is like, does anxiety affect how well students process English? By Borisova in 2024. So this study measure how language anxiety impacts the student ability to learn English. The researchers use math and also statistics to find the connection between the anxiety and also the students' performance. This type of research is useful for us when we want a clear and also measurable result. And next is the example of educational research. So I will give the real world example of the educational research. For the thesis topic, the impact of online learning on students' performance. So the research question is like, how does online learning can affect students' academic achievements? We can use the methodology like the researchers collect test scores from two groups, for example, one studying online and also one studying in traditional way. And this research topic is example of quantitative research because it involves numerical data and also statistical analysis. Um, okay, I think that's all for me. Uh, I'm so sorry if there's any mistake, and thank you for learning. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I think I will end this presentation here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.